All right, guys, we got a mini warehouse lot walk. I got 15 classic cars for sale. I got some Plymouth, I have some Chevys, and I have some Fords, and I have a little bit of European. We're gonna start off with this beautiful 1969 Chevy Camaro. This has got an L48 350 paired with an automatic transmission. It's got a houndstooth interior. Runs and drives beautifully. They call this Bumblebee from like Transformers. Got $45,000 on this one. Nice, clean, ready to go unit. We'll get to more Chevys. I have this convertible 67. This has got a built up 350. A lot of work done to this one. This one's completely restored underneath. Looks beautiful. Under the hood looks beautiful. Actually, I'll show you guys. It's so nice underneath. It's got this aftermarket fiberglass hood, but look at this, guys. All done up. It's got no miles on the engine. This one's $45,000 as well. Then we got this Chevelle here, 71. This has got a 350. Clean inside, outside, rally wheels. Got this one listed for $35,000. Nice car, drives good. Power steering, power brakes. Got another Chevelle here. This is a Malibu. This is a 1970. It's got a 307, mostly original car. Matching numbers. Runs and drives great. Two-owner documented car. Got this one listed for $35,000 as well. Moving on back here before we get to the Shelby, we have a El Camino SS 69. So it's got a 383 stroker, an automatic transmission. Beautifully upgraded interior, no miles on the build on that one. That one, I can do that car for $25,000 And then we have this beautiful Cadillac for 20 grand. Big boat that it is. Runs and drives awesome. Bought this from an Irishman out in South Philadelphia. Had it in the warehouse. Car I've been driving all summer. It's got a 347 stroker, high performance. Got about $20,000 in the engine. A lot of money in this car. Let's get over here to some Fords. Also got these are two very, very rare cars. Stay tuned, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more classic cars for sale, guys. You'll watch me go out and chase them, and you'll see as we sell them. Really rare ones today, so please subscribe, guys. If you want to support our channel, subscribe. Again, don't cost no money. Click the subscribe button. Thank you. 71 Duster, guys. This is an original H code. By VIN number, it's an H code, which means it came with a 340 high performance. This is an automatic transmission, beautiful restored car, another $45,000 car. Got a cheap 5.0 convertible automatic transmission, $9,500. And now I have another extremely rare car. This is a 1969 Chevy Nova, but here's a kicker. Not only is it a 396, but it is the mother of the 396, the 375 horsepower L78. Very rare car. Did not make a lot of these. This is a bucket seat car, 4-speed. $55,000 buys this car. Extremely rare. I really don't want to sell it. It's in my personal collection. This car drives good, looks good. Then we just sold this Mustang. This is $27,000, but it is sold. Nice 65 Mustang. Beautiful condition, drives good. Then I got the Stingray. This is a 66 convertible, 4-speed with a 327. This I have listed for $55,000. Got a couple European specs over here. BMW for $18,500, another BMW for $15,000. I got this Porsche coming up, 68 short wheelbase 911. If you're interested, inquire on our website about it. And then I got this rare 5.0. This is, according to the Marty report, one of one on the Marty report. It's a 5-speed manual, beautiful car I bought out west, clean. $16,500 buys this, and then this Porsche is sold. Guys, we're not doing a whole lot of lot walks because the cars just sell too fast. This warehouse is full every week, and by the time the end of the week happens, I have less than 5 cars. Every week I'm buying 10 cars, trying to replenish. I used to be able to do 20, 30 car warehouse walk and lot walks, but those days are gone. We just sell too fast. But if you want to see each and every car I buy, subscribe, guys. I need you to subscribe to Bob Evans Classics. Our motto is, what is up, guys? We've been doing this for the past 3 years. I appreciate your support, guys. We'll talk to you later.